All right. This is the evening here in the farm. Very beautiful. Things are looking very green. You see how green it is? Yep, that's our farm. Very beautiful. And I can see the peach. All the peaches coming out. You see the peach coming out. You see, those are the peaches. The peaches are fruiting. And the fly trap is working. Look at the fly trap. There's a lot of flies in there. Homemade fly trap. It works. You see? Right there. Those are flies, the fruit flies. If you don't put it, your fruits will get infested with fruit flies and you can't eat them.